Uno, Full Spectrum, How to Play. This is a custom rule variant for the original Uno. It utilizes cards from Uno Flip Express and non-partisan Uno. All the rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Get your regular Uno deck, and in the colors red, blue, and yellow, use one of each number 0 through 9, one skip, draw 2, and reverse. Use 3 wilds and 2 wild draw 4s. Combine these together to start forming your full spectrum deck. From non-partisan Uno, in the colors orange, green, and purple, remove one card for each number 0 through 9, and one skip, draw 2, and reverse. Remove 3 wilds and 2 wild draw 4s. Add these to your full spectrum deck. Finally, from Uno Flip Express, or regular Uno Flip if you don't have the Express version, in the colors teal and magenta, remove one card for each number 1 through 9 and one skip all, draw 3, and reverse. Add these to your full spectrum deck so the light side is considered its back. The double-sided flip cards may never be played on their light side or flipped around. Shuffle the full spectrum deck and deal. There are 8 colors in the deck that make up the major color spectrum, forming a circle. They are red, magenta, purple, blue, teal, green, yellow, orange. When playing a card, you can either match by color, number, or symbol like normal, or you can bleed the color spectrum clockwise or counterclockwise one hue with the card you are discarding. For example, if the discard is red, you are allowed to play an orange or magenta card on it, regardless of that card's number or symbol. If it is green, you can play yellow or teal. Purple is magenta or blue, and so on. Check out the link in the description for a handy color reference image you can use to help you remember. Wild cards can be played on any color and can change the color of the discard to any color. They are not limited to the colors shown on the card. The Skip All card skips every player and allows you to play again. Draw 3 forces the next player to draw 3 cards and skip their turn. Skip All can be matched to any regular skip and vice versa, and Draw 3s can be matched with Draw 2s and vice versa. The first player to play all the cards in their hand wins.